South Africa. I'm stoked. No baggage fees, that's huge, and yeah, let's go. So we're in oh my god, we're in Montreal right now, and this guy's stuck. He's just ripping the gas pedal. You want a hand? Yeah, we can probably help. Jesus. Can I try? Can I try? Oh my god. Let's all go help.
Tell him. Then when you go straight behind, mash the brakes, come in front, go back. Do you want me to do it for you?
Not so much gas.
Not gas, is it manual? You press on gas, you will never go out.
Yeah, not so much.
Well, it's not bad.
I'm YouTuber. You don't want to be on YouTube? Okay. Mr. Can I make a movie in your restaurant?
Hi Brian, how you doing? Hi Charlie. At last I got to see your son. He look a lot like you, buddy.
That's awesome.
Less fatty, less salt, lot less hot.
It smells delicious.
You guys tried everything, and the chicken I'm gonna give you.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
That looks amazing, Mr. This is a feast of my temperature. Like your card. Brought it from Bangladesh. The Royal Tasting Food. Come down to the Resto Royal Cafe. Air Canada to Austria, and then Austria Airlines to Cape Town. I'm getting hijacked. Made it to Cape Town. Let's go. I'm so stoked to be here. Hayden picked me up at we got here 1 a.m. The wind forecast for the next couple of days looks pretty nuclear. I think it's gonna be, I'm hoping it's gonna be over 40 knots for the next 4 days. It's noon right now, and it's already windy. It's probably 20 knots-ish. There's a couple kites out down there. I don't know if you can see. Right over there. And yeah, the spot looks unreal. See Table Mountain there. Clouds in front of it, so I'm guessing the clouds are gonna kind of come over it, sit right there, and it's just gonna be insane wind today. And yeah, the Cape Town Kite Club, holy, it's amazing. Better than I expected for sure. They're super welcoming. Had an awesome tour, kind of the city. Beautiful area. Just a little hammock. But man, the African sun burns. I'm so white. I'm gonna really have to be careful today and every day. So yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. It was crazy, I think it was 55 hours to get here. The longest I've ever traveled to go anywhere, and the farthest I've been from home. It's -40 in Calgary right now, so I'm happy to be out of there. But yeah, tune in to my YouTube, subscribe, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, post notifications on, baby, let's go. It's gonna be a lot of kiting, a lot of messing around, and I'm just gonna try to have fun with some videos. So yeah, let's do it. I'll see you guys later today when I'm out doing some mega loops out here, mega loops.